Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about 6th class science lecture. In this, we will start our first chapter, that is source of food. So we completed this chapter, and in the previous lecture we will discuss some question answer of these questions. So we will solve the part A of the multiple choice question answer, part B fill in the blanks by choose the correct word and draw it true for T for true and F for false statements. So today our D part, that is match the column A with B. We have to match the column A with B. So what is the first part that we have given in column A? हमारे को कॉलम ए से कॉलम बी को मैच करना है, तो हमारे पास कॉलम ए में जो फर्स्ट पार्ट दिया गया है वो क्या है? एग. So egg we get from hen. So this is the match of the column first 1 to C. Now what is second? Goat. Goat is herbivorous, carnivorous, beverage or milk products. So goat is herbivore. Now the third is curd, paneer and ghee. So what are these? These are the milk products. So it will be matched to the milk products. Now the fourth is lion, tiger and wolf. So all these are the carnivorous animals. Now what is coffee? Coffee is beverage. So this is the match of column A with the column B. So इस तरीके से आपको मैच करना है कॉलम A का कॉलम B के साथ. Now our next question is very short answer. Very short answer. So our first question is, why do we need food? Why do we need food? So we need food. We need food for our growth and developments. So this is the answer of this, that why do we need food? We need food for growth and development and repair of wear and tear of damaged cell. Wear and repair of and repair of wear and tear cells in our body. Wear or tear cells. So that's why we need food. Now second is, give two example of carnivores. So we have to give two example of carnivores. So in the match and column, we will see that the lion, tiger and wolf are the carnivores. So what is the answer of second question? This is the answer of second question. The example of the carnivores are lion, tiger and wolf. So these are the examples of the carnivores. Now, what is third question? That is, what are the main source of food? So we have to tell what are the main source of food. So the main source of food is plants and animal. So these are the main source of food. Now the fourth question is, name the plant from which edible oil are extracted. Name the plants from which edible oil are extracted. So what is the name of that plant is coconut. So from the coconut we will get edible oil. We will get edible oil. So this is the answer of the very short answer questions. No, you have to write these question answer on your notebook and also learns. So ये जो आपके मैंने आंसर बताए थे, ये आपके वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स थे. सो आपको ये राइट करने हैं अपनी कॉपी पे और लर्न करनी है एंड मैच द कॉलम करनी है. एंड जो और आपका टुडे होमवर्क है वो क्या है कि आपको जो शॉर्ट आंसर क्वेश्चंस हैं एंड लॉन्ग आंसर क्वेश्चंस हैं, इनके आपको आंसर फाइंड आउट करने हैं. इनके आपको आंसर्स फाइंड आउट करने हैं आपकी बुक में से, जो हमने प्रीवियस क्लासेस में लेक्चर लगाए हैं ना, उनमें से आपको इनके क्वेश्चन आंसर क्या करने हैं, इनको आपको फाइंड आउट्स करने हैं. सो दिस इज द एंड ऑफ योर लेक्चर. थैंक यू.